our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to summarize papers using Scholarly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize your papers using Scholarly, all you gotta do is simply go to Scholarly first. So once you're in your Scholarly, to summarize your papers with it, you need to first of all import your file. That can be PDF, URL, or text, and the AI generates an interactive flashcards with key findings, concepts, synopsis, and structured sections like objectives, methods, results, and conclusion. You can then customize a summary style that can be bullet points or plain language, or use features like dig deeper, questions, and browser extensions for quick analysis and note taking. Exporting the summary to Word or PowerPoint is also needed as per your liking. So if you're gonna do this, then you will be able to summarize papers using Scholarly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.